What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to continue talking about the DOM, the document object model. But in this case, we're going to be talking about a button click, detecting a button click. A user interacts with the page, and this can be done with a button. And we're going to see that in our browser right here. In our HTML, I added a button which is a see reviews, and also I give her a ID name of BTN. So we're going to use that. Okay, we're going to use the DOM for the user to interact with the page. Okay, all right, so let's just do a const okay, and we're going to put, let's put button equals, so we're going to do the document that get element by ID, the method, oh man, I hate this, open close parentheses, and then right here we're going to do what is the name of our ID. It's going to be BTN, and then semicolon, and right here we're going to use that button element that right here we're going to add a method, which is add event listener. So this event listener, this method, this function has takes two arguments. Okay, the first one is going to be the click event. Click, comma, and then for the second argument we're going to do a function. It's going to be an anonymous function. Opening and curly braces. Now, right here in the function body, we're going to execute a code that needs to be done when we click the button. So in this case, we're going to do console.log, where it says you click me. You click me, send semicolon, let's save, and let's refresh our page and see in our console it's going to show us how many times we're going to be clicking the button. Let's see. Oh, you click me. Okay, it's taking account. There's 2 times I already click. Let's just keep doing it. Now there's 20 times that I click on that button. So actually the button is interacting with the user thanks to the DOM. Alright guys, so this was just a short little video about this, and hopefully this helped you in your journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.